Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see how to download and install Cisco Packet Tracer on Windows. Firstly, go to NetAcade, then click Login, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up. After logging in, go to your dashboard, then navigate to Resources, then download Packet Tracer. Choose Windows as your operating system. The exe file will start downloading automatically. Now run the downloaded file and on the license agreement screen, click I accept the license, then Next. Choose the installation directory, make sure it has enough space, then click Next. Choose the Start menu folder or leave Default, then click Next. Check Create a desktop icon, then click Next. And then click Install to wait to finish the installation, then click Finish. Now double-click the desktop icon, the program will open, log in with your NetAcade credentials if prompt. You're all set. Cisco Packet Tracer is now installed and ready to use on your Windows system. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.